I am Luca, the DMG Digital Assistant. Here is how I can assist you today. Let's review the areas and properties of the space dedicated to graphic creation on the Mosaic One platform. Enter the Mosaic One platform by accessing the website www.mosaicone.net. Enter the graphics section of your building. Now we have two possibilities: create a new graphic by manually entering the necessary parameters, or use one already present in the list of your building to avoid any mistakes in setting the dimensions. Let's make a copy of the graphic we are interested in. Give it a name and enter it. Let's carefully observe the top part of the screen. We start with the commands at the top left. Next to the name of the graphic, click on the Properties button. In the pop-up window you will be able to modify the settings of the graphic previously entered. At the top right, you will find the basic command buttons. The first allows you to cancel the input, followed by the button that restores the input. Next, you will see the three zoom icons, which respectively allow you to enlarge, fit to screen, or reduce the image. Immediately after that, there are the commands to save, publish, and download the configuration. Finally, there is the button to exit the graphic. Now let's look at the division of the work areas. On the left, we find the list of zones with their contents displayed at the bottom. On the right, at the top we find the attributes of the area, and at the bottom the attributes of the inserted content. Right here we can intervene to modify the zones and their contents according to our needs. Let's look at the preset zones. Position indicator: this is a list of parameters to be entered in the display. These fields will appear automatically by taking the data from the panel signal and from the values entered during the display configuration. Only the ID field can be entered manually directly on the graphic, or during the export procedure, which we will discuss later. In the content area you will find the files already preset, or those uploaded by you, for each individual zone. Now let's look at the right side of our control panel. Here we will find the data relating to the attributes of each area, such as the visibility of the area. By selecting or deselecting the checkbox we can decide whether the zone should be visible or not visible. Right after, we see the preset dimensions, the color, and other attribute characteristics. Below we will find the parameters relating to the attributes of each content depending on the zone. For example, the clock zone contains the preset graphic. It is visible. It is located in the indicated dimensions. And it has white-colored content. Centered. A text area has the same area attributes as the clock, but the content attributes change, such as font, size, text color, alignment, and other characteristics, all obviously editable as you prefer. By acting on each individual area, you can independently modify the font, the color, the size, and the position of the content of that area. To make your changes visible, remember to save and publish the newly created graphic. From this moment on, we can begin creating the graphics for your Mattis displays. Thank you. For any further information, we suggest visiting our Dado DMG technical support website. See you soon.